Governor Fayose's aide Agbele was arraigned on money laundering charges, and after he had pleaded not guilty to all the charges preferred against him by the EFCC, his lawyer moved to have him released on bail. The defense counsel urged the judge to grant his client bail on liberal terms, arguing that the charges border on bailable offense.
Or we are now asking this court to grant him bail because he has now been arraigned. In fact, it's an application that stampeded them to now hurriedly arraign him. And this is a person who has been in detention since 27th of June on a bailable matter. How can the EFCC still be saying that they are still investigating what? And this is a bailable offense. You are talking about money laundering. So it is not the normal hype of EFCC creating a monstrosity out of a simple issue, making a mountain out of a molehill. Your application is more or less telling me to help you to keep in perpetuity an accused person who has not been found guilty in spite of the presumption of innocence. And today, we have put all these facts before the judge, and we have told the court that this man deserves to go on bail because the offenses for which he is accused are ordinarily bailable. Okay. And the Honorable Justice Dimba has reserved ruling.
In his opposition, prosecution counsel Johnson Ojogbane urged the court to dismiss the application on the grounds that the accused person will evade justice if granted bail. He also wants the court to remand the accused in prison throughout the period of the trial while seeking accelerated hearing.
We just arraigned the defendant, Mr. Abiodun Agbele, on a level count charge of money laundering. And the Lenel Silk applied for his bail, and we also responded accordingly. And letting the court know that the defendant is a flight risk, basically. Other defendants in this case, Muslim Banikoro, his children, and other defendants in the case are already on the run. And we have intelligence reports that the reason is because of this case. So we think this defendant, who is always and has been a part of this group, will also not be available if it's granted bail. But as you know, bail is at the discretion of the court. The court will decide.
But after listening to both parties, the trial judge adjourned till August 4 to rule on the bail application. Matthew Igoche, PTV News, Abuja.